What's going on, guys? Today's video we have one interior install and we have new weather stripping. It's been raining a lot over here in Texas, so it's time to get this new weather stripping on. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I do it and how it gets installed. Alright guys, so this is what I'm working with. Look at that. Awesomeness. Nothing even here. Nothing to freaking show you. Look at that. Pretty much all ripped all along the car. So right now we're going to start off with a hatch. I'm going to do a quick install and then we'll go to each one of the doors because I think those are a lot harder. So here we go. Alright guys, all done with the rear. It took a little bit, but you know, make sure you have all the right tools whenever you start, I guess, is a good rule of thumb. Okay, come on. Anyway, alright, so there it is, all new. Alright, so now we're going to move to the door, and the door is going to be fun, and I'll tell you why. We're back with the bad weather stripping. It's all gone. Look at this. What is this? Anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and start removing this weather stripping. So let's get started. All right guys, so what we need to do first before we just yank this out, it's not like the hatch. So you have to actually take some of your interior pieces off. So first off, you gotta take off these 4 screws on the bottom. Just to get to the bottom portion of the weather stripping. Then we're going to take off the side panels where the quarter panel is, and then we're going to take apart the top, which is pretty easy. You just kind of pull it, and then you know, your A-pillar, I believe is what it's called. But yeah, you got to take that off. So you're going to have to also make sure you have a T50, if I'm not mistaken, a T50, and then you want a Phillips head screwdriver to take out the rest of the screws. Here we go. Alright guys, so it is super hot in here. I don't know if you can tell by the glow of my skin. Anyway, we just got all the panels loose, so now I'm going to go ahead and start ripping it out. So I'm going to switch positions with you. Alright guys, got it cut pretty good. That was really good. Anyway, so that's where I made my cut. And follow along, obviously. New weather stripping. That's how we do it here on Texas Project Cars. We work on projects and we finish projects. Alright, now time to move to that side. Alright guys, it's just going to pretty much be a repeat of the driver's side, so I'm just gonna make this quick and easy. Ready? And there you have it guys, completely done. Really simple, really easy, nothing too hard about it. I'm pretty sure if I can do it here, you can do it in a garage real quick and easy. Second part of this installation video though is gonna be fun, so I'll show you real quick. Alright guys, time for part 2 of the video. Just disassembling this and replacing this bad boy. Look at that. We can do the worm in here. So we're going to go ahead and fix that. So give me just a second and I'll show you how. Alright guys, you're going to need a Phillips head right here. 8mm here. 8mm here. Another Phillips head right there. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started on disassembly. Alright, you may be saying, wow, that was a quick disassembly. Yeah, I kind of already undid this screw, and then that was the only screw I had left. So yeah, awesomeness. So, alright, let's continue. Alright guys, so this is what was left. And, you know, a couple pieces of broken plastic. So yeah, time for the replacement. What's going on, guys? So we finished it. I would let you take a look. Look at that, clean as can be. So next video, guys, we should be looking at changing this out for a late model restoration cup holder one. Plus we're doing a delete with right there. I don't know if you could see that. Hang on one sec. Okay, anyway, so center console with cup holders, and we're deleting that. So stay tuned, guys, because we got another video to come over the next coming days, or next Wednesday for you guys. So yeah, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. I'm sorry it was a quick video, or a quick how-to. Not really a how-to. I'll let you decide. But if you have any questions, please let me know, and I'll definitely answer your comments or any questions that you have. That side is next, but it's alright. I'm sure you guys will see it in the next video or something whenever we're working on the center console. So, alright guys, have a great day. Thank you for watching.
Go.